Good morning, Bulldogs. Happy Tuesday, October the 27th. Today you have 3 assignments in your forms, and in your class notebook you should have 3 under assignments. So we're going to go there now. You have barbed wire baseball vocabulary, spelling scramble for prefixes miss, in, and m. And your warm-up today is a passage called Happy Birthday, Noah Webster, with 3 questions. So we'll go to that one first so I can read it. Okay, it's attached right here. Remember to zoom in, you push the plus at the bottom. There you go. Happy birthday, Noah Webster. What do you do if you don't know the meaning of a word? Well, you could look that word up in a dictionary. A dictionary is a book or online resource that lists the meanings of words, how to pronounce the word, and even the origin, where the word came from. Have you ever wondered who would write such a large book? A man named Noah Webster wrote the first American dictionary. Noah was born on October 16th, 1758 in Connecticut. He became a teacher to earn money after college. He did not like the books his students were using, so he decided to write his own. The first book he wrote, The Blueback Speller, taught children how to read and write. Next, he began to write a dictionary for Americans. At that time, there were only dictionaries from England. Some English words were spelled differently than American words. There were also American words that were not in the English dictionary. It took him about 22 years to write. When he finished the book at age 78, it had over 65,000 words. You will see you have 3 questions. What is a dictionary? Why did Noah Webster want to write a dictionary? And each year, new words are added to the dictionary. Write one word that was probably not in the original dictionary. Then write its definition. Because look, if he was born in 1758 and then he died at 78 and it took him 22 years to write it, some of these words we use nowadays are not going to be in there. So you're going to have to find an example. So go to your form, and I did put an example in your forms. Here you're going to type, what is a dictionary? Why did Noah Webster want to write a dictionary? And then a word that you think was not in the original dictionary with its definition. So an example I used is to Google. That means to search for information about someone or something on the internet using the search engine Google. Well, they did not have the internet back in the 1800s. So I know that that's a new word that was not in the dictionary. When you finish that one, you hit submit. You have 2 more. Let me go back to them. Okay, you've got your spelling scramble with your prefixes miss, in, and m. Just a form there. You can use your spelling list. It was in yesterday's class notebook assignment. Okay, so you have this. What is UNRELCOSEN scramble? Well, I know that we have the spelling word enclosure and all those letters are in it. So you would type in here ENCLOSURE. There you go. When you get down to the bottom, hit submit. Don't worry if it tells you got something wrong. If you don't type it just like I do, then it comes up wrong. Remember that on when it's a quiz, when it says it's a quiz and not just a form. All right, you have one more assignment. Close these 2 out. And it is barbed wire baseball vocabulary. Remember, that's our story this week out of your literacy book. The story is on pages 157 through 181. So that's where you'll be looking for your vocabulary. Or you can go to yesterday's class notebook assignment, and it was attached. It was on your notes page. Your form says, what does the word descent mean in the story? And then you're going to use the word descent in a sentence. You can create your own sentence or use the one from the story. Either way, it's up to you. What does the word internment mean? And then use it in a sentence. What does the word desolate mean? and then use it in a sentence. What does the word diverted mean? And use it in a sentence. And then last you have, what does the word spectators mean? And use it in a sentence. After you've done all those, hit submit and turn it in, and you are finished for the day. If you want to go back, I'm going to show you how to get back to yesterday's vocabulary list. You're going to go up to your class notebook. All right, and go to your content library, notes. That's where we put your assignments. And then you'll scroll down to yesterday's date, Monday, October 26th. And then there's your spelling list. And then there's your vocabulary. So if you need that, go back to that. If you have any questions, email me or send me a message on chat. Some of you have been doing that. And if not, when you get this completed, you're done for me. And I want you to have a wonderful Tuesday. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.